Question 27. The mean score of 8 players in a basketball game was 14.5 points. If the highest individual score is removed, the mean score of the remaining 7 players becomes 12 points. What was the highest score? If you remember, we did it in averages. Actually, mean is average here. Okay. So what I told you there, that we have 8 players and 14.5 points each. So that will give us the sum of these 8 players, because this is mean, this is average. Okay. So average of 8 players is 8 times 14.5. Now one score is removed. So there are now 7 players and each has 12 points. 7 players, 12 points. So we'll get the total of those 7 players by multiplying 7 by 12. So this is the sum of the scores of 8 players, and this is the sum of the scores of 7 players. Okay. So 12 sevens are 84, and 8 times 14.5 is 116. So if you subtract these values, and then we will get the score of that 8th player who has been removed. So 116 minus 84 is 32. That's the highest score. Okay. So this is the total of 8 players and this is the total of 7 players. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the sum of 8 players subtract sum of 7 players. What you have? The 8th player. Okay. So that's 32. So we completely discussed this thoroughly in averages. If you have no idea how to do it, go to the average topic. Okay. You will be well acquainted with this topic then. 28. Okay. Again, a linear equation, a line, function y. This is 1, this is 1, this is origin. Alright. The graph of the linear function f, this f, is shown in the xy plane above. The slope of the graph of the graph of the linear function g, some other function, is not shown here, is 4 times the slope of the graph of f. So the slope of other graph is 4 times this slope. You can find out the slope of this line by using any 2 points, and by multiplying it by 4, we'll get the slope of the function g. If the graph of g passes to the point 0 minus 4, so we already found the slope and we are given the points. What is the value of g of 9? So we'll find this function g first, then we'll see what is the value of g of 9. Okay. So let's get 2 points from here. One is this 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 3. This is 0, 3. And take any other point, this minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, this one. This is minus 2, comma 2. So 0, 3 and minus 2, 3. 0, 3 and minus 2, comma 2. So the slope will be y2 minus y1, 3 minus 2, x2 minus x1, 0 minus minus 2 plus 2. That's 1 over. This is the slope of f. Okay. Slope of function f. Slope of function f. This function with the given. Okay. Now it says the slope of g is 4 times the slope of f. Okay. Slope of g is slope of g. This is slope of f. 4 times 1 over 2. So that's 2. So slope of g is 2. And point of g is given as 0 minus 4. G passes through 0 minus 4. So 2 is slope and 0 minus 4 is the point. Because this is y-intercept. See, if x is 0, the y-intercept, we will get y-intercept. So this is y-intercept. See. So you can find the equation by using y is equal to mx plus c. This is m, this is c. Otherwise, you can use this equation. Y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. M is this 2 and x1 by 1 is 0 minus 4. So y minus y1 is minus 4 is equal to m is 2, x minus x1 is this 0. So that is y plus 4 is equal to 2x, because y is g here, okay? The first function was f and this is g. So you can write g of x is equal to 2x minus 4. This is our function. But the question says, what is g of 9? G of 9 means you have to plug in the value of x as 9. So g of 9 will be 2 times 9 minus 4, 18 minus 4, that is 40. So that's your answer, C. G of 9 is 40. Okay. Question number 29. X squared plus 20x plus y squared plus 16y is equal to negative 20. The equation above defines a circle in the xy plane. What are the coordinates of the center of the circle? I told you earlier when we were doing the questions from Polish Panda that we have to convert it into this form: x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. And this r will be the radius and this a comma b will be the coordinates of center. Okay, so we have to convert this whole thing into this form. Okay, so let's start with it. X squared plus 20x plus y squared plus 16y. X squared plus 20x plus y squared plus 16y is equal to negative 20. Plus y squared plus 16y is equal to minus 20. Alright, so a square plus 2ab, a square plus 2a, what is b? 20 over 2, 10. And we need b square on this side. So we will add b square on this side. Minus 20 plus 10 square. Now this a square, so close it in 1 plus y square, 2ab, 2y, and 16 over 2 is 8. So we need 8 square on this side. We will also add 8 square on this side. So now this is x plus 10 whole square and this is y plus 8 whole square. And whatever is on this side, it doesn't matter. We don't concern with that. It doesn't concern us. So if we convert it into this x minus 10 whole square and y minus 8 whole square, then this is a x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. So a is minus 10 because this minus is cancelled with this minus. A is minus 10 and b is minus 8. So the center is minus 10 comma minus 8. That's option B. Okay, minus 10 comma minus 8. If you are not familiar with it, go to the geometry part, circles part from Polish Panda. So you will get it from there. Okay, question number 30. Y is equal to x square minus a. In the equation above, a is a positive constant and the graph of the equation in the xy plane is a parabola. Parabola is upward or downward curve, okay? Quadratic curve. Which of the following is an equivalent form of the equation? It's just a simple question. Y is equal to x square minus a. You can write it x square minus under root a square. Square will remove the under root sign. But now this is a square minus b square. Remember a square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b, or a plus b, a minus b. That's it. This is b. That was an easy question. Alright, we'll move ahead in the next week.